Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.